So welcome to this YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you there is a lots of thing in Apple website. So iPhone website, sorry. So Apple website. So you can see store. So you can see MacBook, iPad, iPhone, watch, AirPod, TV and home entertainment. So there's you can see MacBook Pro. What is this? iPad Pro trade-in. So movies. Oh, let's go with Mac. Explorer Mac. So buy, okay, you can buy this and that MacBook Air 13. So you can see all the comparison, and you can buy switch to mic. Oh, Mac, sorry. Why product is best place to buy? Monthly payment option. Customize your Mac. Save on new Mac with education pricing. Okay, there is a lot of things here. Okay. So Mac Pro. What is Mac Pro? So Mac Pro. What's this? Okay, this is I think cheap. Okay, there is a things for, okay, you can buy this cover, silicone cover, iPhone 16 case. So features iPhone, okay, Apple watch straps, okay, featured Mac studio display. So there is a lots of things you can buy, and here AirTags, this is a very good, so you never lost your things. So this is my favorite one, AirTag for opaque. So AirTag fine woven keyring. Okay, that's all in this video.